Have you ever tried to take a photo of something moving really fast? It's blurry, right? Now, imagine trying to take a photo of the entire universe from 13.8 billion years ago. Sounds like a job for a super paparazzo, but it's actually the mission of one incredible machine, the Planck satellite.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurious, where curiosity meets science.
Today, we're looking at the ultimate baby picture of everything that ever was. To understand the expansion, we have to go back to the beginning. Shortly after the Big Bang, the universe was a hot, foggy mess. Light couldn't travel anywhere. But about 380,000 years later, the universe's toddler phase, it cooled down enough for light to finally break free. This is the cosmic microwave background, or CMB. It's the oldest light in existence, and Planck was built specifically to catch it. Planck isn't your average backyard telescope. It operated at temperatures just above absolute zero, colder than deep space itself, so its own heat wouldn't interfere with the tiny temperature fluctuations it was measuring. Why the obsession with detail? Because those tiny freckles on the CMB map tell us exactly what the universe is made of. According to ESA's 2018 results, we're looking at about 68% dark energy, 27% dark matter, and a tiny 5% of normal stuff. You know, like planets, tacos, and you. Here is where it gets spicy. Planck helped us measure the Hubble constant, the speed at which the universe is stretching. It told us the expansion rate is roughly 67.4 kilometers per second per megaparsec. But here's the kicker. Other telescopes see a different number. This is called the Hubble Tension. It's like two world-class GPS units giving you different directions to the same pizza shop. By watching the universe expand through the lens of the CMB, Planck confirmed that the universe is flat and will likely keep expanding forever. No big crunch where everything collapses back. Just a long, cold, dark future. Dark energy is the mysterious driver of this expansion, acting like an invisible gas pedal that we're still trying to understand. After 4 years of staring into the void, Planck's mission ended in 2013, but scientists are still crunching its data today. It gave us the most precise map of our origins ever created. It's a reminder that even in the vast, expanding emptiness, there's a pattern that connects us all the way back to the first spark. So, does the idea of an eternally expanding universe make you feel small, or does it make you feel lucky to be part of the journey? And if the universe is expanding, what do you think it's expanding into? Let us know your wildest theories in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmic deep dives. Stay curious.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.